I have my very first Temu haul. If you're not familiar with Temu, it's an online marketplace that offers competitively priced products in multiple categories, such as fashion, jewelry, home decor, pet supplies, and much more. They have very affordable prices, high quality, and amazing coupons. Right now, they have a site-wide sale with savings of up to 90% off. They offer free shipping and free returns for up to 90 days. They accept all major credit and debit cards, electronic payments, and some pay later programs. I recommend you download the Teemu mobile app for more perks and a smoother shopping experience. For all of the items that I show you today, make sure you check out the description box for my custom link that will show you all of these items, and use the code SALE9745 to get an additional 30% off. As I show you each one of these items, I'm going to pop the price on the screen at the date of purchase so you'll know how much it was. Now, when you log in or go to your mobile app, it may be slightly different. It may be even cheaper. I'm going to start off with some kitchen items. These are some gorgeous tile antique natural wood tableware sets. You can purchase a 4-piece or a 7-piece. They are lightweight, really nice quality, and you can hang them up or you can place them in a utensil crock. They have the most beautiful color. Now, this is a silicone mat. These are great for setting hot pots or plates on, and it's going to protect your counter. This is a pizza cutter, and I love that it has this plastic protective cover that you can slide back over the blade, snap in place, and then you can place this inside of your drawer. I picked up a vegetable brush. This is a nice size, and the bristles are stiff enough to get your vegetables clean, but soft enough not to damage them. The next item is a 3-piece fruit knife set. It has a peeler, a cute cutting board, and a very sharp knife. They come in various different colors. They had a green, blue, and a pink. This is a 3-piece fleece dish cloth set. They are very soft and absorbent. They are 9 inches by 9 inches, and you can get these in a pack of 3 or a pack of 5. This is a 6-piece reusable silicone stretch lids. These are great for items that you don't have a lid for. They even have a cute smiley face right on top. They're really easy to use. You just place them over top of your bowl or plate, and they have these tabs that will help you to stretch it very tightly all the way around, and it's going to keep your food fresher longer, and it's supposed to prevent from any spills if it gets toppled over. This is a 6-piece set of silicone can lids. These are perfect to cover your drinks when you're outdoors, or if you didn't finish your drink and you just want to put it in the refrigerator. They're shaped like cute bottle caps. They pop right on top of your can perfectly, and they're supposed to prevent spills if tipped over. These are stainless steel funnels. They are sold individually. They have a large one for wide mouth mason jars. I love that each one of these has a handle, so that's going to make it so much easier to change from jar to jar. And then they have the smaller one for your regular size mason jars. Now we have a core remover. It has a nice gripped handle. Let's try it out on a jalapeno pepper. So I've never used one of these before, but I just put that in there, push it all the way to the bottom, and kind of rotate as you go around. And I wasn't sure if it was going to get the entire core out, but this thing worked perfectly. It removed the core and majority of the seeds. I just went ahead and rinsed the pepper to get the last couple of seeds out of the bottom. The cable organizers are sold in a pack of 6. They come in various colors, white, gray, and black. To install them, all you do is peel the backing off and then attach the sticky portion to the back of your appliance. Wrap your cord around it. Now everything is tidy and organized, and you don't have cables laying around everywhere. The next item is a bag sealer. It has a magnet on the back.
and you open it up and it takes 2 AA batteries that are not included. It looks like a little mini stapler, and when those 2 pieces touch, you'll hold it for about 3 to 5 seconds to warm that up. Now here I have an open bag of chips. I'm going to slide the bag in between the 2 pieces, the metal pieces on the bag sealer, and slowly go across. Now you can seal up any opened bags, and this will keep your food fresh longer. It also has a safety feature. You just pull that piece down so those 2 metal pieces won't touch when it is not in use. Next, I have a refrigerator egg box. It holds 2 dozen eggs. This is great if you buy in bulk or if you have hens and you collect eggs daily. Temu carries food storage containers in various different sizes for different prices. These are a nice thick plastic. They have the lids that snap on and off on each side. These are great for dried goods like rice and beans, and I love that they are stackable. These can help to keep your pantry organized. These are silicone stove and counter gap covers that are supposed to be heat resistant. You place them in between your stove and counter regardless if the heights are the same or not. This is going to keep food and grease from getting down in between that gap. They carry a hair removing tool. It has a nice wooden handle, and it is great for carpets. But did you know you can use this on your furniture as well to get that really stuck hair that your vacuum cleaner just won't pick up? Now let's move over to some car items. We have a second vehicle that my husband uses for his side business, and we also take our dogs to the vet in this. Now it has leather seats that get really, really hot in the summertime. Temu carries car seat covers. You can buy them individually or you can buy them in a set. They are super soft. They have a pocket in the front. They come in various different colors, and they also provide you with these clips to install them onto your seats. They have these tabs in the back, and you just clip the hook on one of those tabs for your front seat, and then you can slide this in between the 2 seats, and then from the back side, you will pull that tab through and then clip it to the other side that has that elastic piece. Then you can flip it up so that it doesn't slide in between the 2 seats, and that's going to keep your seat cover in place. Now we don't have to worry about our skin burning when you get in the vehicle in the summertime. And it looks really good too. Speaking of taking our pets to the vet, they carry pet seat belts. One end latches to your pet's collar, and the other end goes directly into a standard seat belt. Now you can keep your pets nice and safe while traveling. I was really excited to see this next product, a liquid scratch repair wax, because when I was out shopping one day, I think the wind blew a shopping cart into my car and left this nasty scratch. And I wanted to try this product to see if it would help cover that up. So you want to have the area clean and dry. They provide a sponge and you apply the wax on there. You press it into the scratch. Then you go back over it in some circular motions to make sure that you're buffering it out. Then you take a clean, damp cloth and remove the excess. Well, as I was editing this video, I realized I didn't put it on the right side of the sponge because the scratch looked exactly the same. So I put it on the other side, the black side of the sponge, repeated the same process by pressing it and then buffering it out and then removing the excess with a clean damp cloth. And this seemed to work a lot better. Of course, the scratch is still there, but it is a little less noticeable. So I'm pretty pleased with this product. This is a rear view mirror phone holder. It will accommodate larger phones, and it rotates so that you can place it in there horizontally or vertically, and you attach this around your rearview mirror. It extends down, tilts up, and this is going to make driving so much easier if you're having to use the GPS on your phone. This is a phone holder. It is very heavy duty. It has a good amount of weight on the bottom, so you can set your phone on there if you're looking at recipes, or you can rotate it around and watch YouTube. If you use disposable razors, you do not want to miss out on this deal. You can get 36 razor blades and 2 handles. The blades come in little small plastic pieces, so they're easy to store, and all you have to do is push that button, pop your blade on there, it swivels up and down. They also carry mounted razor holders. So you just peel the tab off the back. You could stick this to your wall or in your shower, and then you peel the film off the front. It's a pretty stainless steel color, and your razor sits right inside of it. It's going to drain properly, and this frees up some more space in your bathroom. Summer is approaching and it's time to put away your winter clothes. They carry clothes storage bags. They have the horizontal size. I love that it has the handles on the side. It's clear in the front. I have a pillow and 6 bulky sweatshirts in there, and there's still plenty of room. They also carry a vertical size. I have the same items in there, 6 sweatshirts and a pillow, and still plenty of room. This is a 3-piece set of microfiber hair towels. This is supposed to help with frizzy hair. They're really nice quality, super soft, and they come in various different colors. They have the loop in the back that will go over the button in the front. I also picked up a couple of these small baskets. Now they call these craft baskets, but I thought this would be really neat to put those hair towels in. Also, they carry some satin pillowcases. I picked up the gray. They are so silky soft. They are really nice quality. They have good hems on them, and they come in various different colors. They even carry eye patch moisturizing masks. This is a 60-piece set. It has this spoon so you can scoop the product out. It has a nice seal that you can replace, and it has an additional piece of plastic to keep it from drying out. It is silky soft, it is not sticky, and I'm excited to try it out. To keep with the spa theme, they have a silicone bath or shower massage mat that has the suctions on the bottom, nice soft bristles, and even a place where you can hang it up to dry. Beauty blenders, you can get a 4-piece with this case. They come in various different shapes. You can also get different colors. And you can pick up their makeup brush set. As we all know, makeup brushes are very expensive. You can get a 13-piece set. They have additional colors other than the one I'm showing you. And you can get a makeup bag. I thought this would be perfect to place those makeup brushes in. It has those cute leather tabs on the side, and I thought this was such a great deal. There are several different colored vintage style sunglasses. These are super trendy and comfortable. I had to pick up the black and the brown. This is a very cute tassel and pendant faux leather wallet that will hold all of your cards as well as some cash. This is something perfect for on the go. It's nice and small. And I also picked up this crossbody purse. So it has 2 different zippered sections. One, it will carry all of your essentials. The other will carry all of your cards. It comes with the strap that you hook on each side, and the strap is adjustable. This is a really nice lightweight crossbody purse. They even carry socks. I chose 5 pair of white and 5 pair of black. This breaks down to like 38 cents a pair. They're lightweight but good quality. I also purchased the casual sneakers. Now, these are really comfortable, they are breathable, and they're also true to size and come in several different colors. Now, this next item, you guys know how much I love plaid, so when I saw these plaid pajamas, I knew I wanted to have a set. They are super comfy and so soft. If you're traveling out of the country, they have some really nice premium leather passport covers in various colors, and it comes with a vaccine card holder. Speaking of going out of town, this is the cutest portable jewelry box. This is so cute and compact. You can fit quite a few necklaces, earrings, and rings. This makes for the perfect item to take with you out of town to keep all of your jewelry nice and secure and safe. And if you like fashion jewelry, they have plenty of that. This is a silver-plated rope necklace. It has a nice clasp on the end, and it even has a little pendant on the other end that says 925, which stands for sterling silver, but this is silver-plated. Now, this is an ear pick set. This is stainless steel. I know not everybody would use that, for your ears because you have to be really careful what you put in your ears. But I thought this would be really neat to keep in my craft room. You never know when you're going to need a tiny tool. And this is a 6-piece set with the portable carrying case. I think everyone needs to have one of these magnetic pickup tools. They come in so handy, especially if you are working on a car and you drop something metal or you drop something in a hard to reach area like beside your dryer or something. It is telescopic and it will pick it up very easily. This is a craft toolkit. Comes in a very nice case and it has quite a few pieces in it. I love that it has these miniature wire cutters and rounded pliers as well as the regular size pliers. This is perfect for any craft room and I love that it comes organized in this case. Now for any office, double-sided adhesive dot glue tape is always nice to have on hand, and a retractable tape measure. I love to use these to measure the diameter of cylindrical objects, and with the push of a button, it is retractable. Temu also has scrapbook paper. So this is a 12-piece set of 6-inch by 6-inch scrapbook paper. They have several different designs. I picked out the retro. I think this is going to be perfect in some upcoming DIY projects. I couldn't believe it. Temu even has a pulse oximeter. This is just like you see in the doctor's office. This will measure your oxygen and your heart rate so you can always keep a check on your health. I had to pick up both of my sisters one of these compact mirrors. It is a gorgeous rose gold color, and the inscription says, "To my beautiful sister, never forget that I love you. As you look in the mirror, I hope you see what I see." This makes the perfect gift and has the cutest gift box. You can get an individual canvas that you can frame yourself. This is roughly 15 inches by 23 inches and the detail on it is gorgeous. Now, I did have to get some artificial flowers. This first one here is a purple flower bouquet, and they are simply beautiful. You do have to shape them a little bit once you unpackage them, but the detail on this for the price is incredible. And look at the stems. So I did get purple and I also got the white ones. Again, it is just incredibly beautiful. The next one is called a pearl rose bouquet. This is in the pink. The greenery on it is absolutely beautiful, as well as the details. Now, the stem is different than the first two bouquets I showed you. They also come in white, but the white is a little bit more expensive than the colored ones, so you may want to pay attention to that when you add it to your cart. So I did get 3 bundles of these, and then you can get a 2-pack of lavender. They have a beautiful, vibrant purple color to them, and this spring wreath is simply gorgeous. It is 17 inches. This would look spectacular on anyone's front door.
I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to check out the description box for my custom link and use the code SALE9745 to get an additional 30% off of the items that I showed you today. Thanks so much for spending time with me. Please take care, and I'll see you guys next time.